And it is time for the Word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money. Joining me right now is the Fitz-Gerald Group Principal, Keith Fitz-Gerald, Portfolio Wealth Advisors President and CEO Lee Munson, and ER Share CEO Joel Schulman. Great to see everybody, gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here. Keith, kicking things off with you. With a market that is searching for direction this morning following yesterday's technology-led sell-off, but we know how markets feel nervous. Of course, we are talking about double-digit declines year to date. The sell-off coming after social media platform Snap issued a profit warning yesterday, noting the economy has worsened quicker than expected. Snap took all the social media stocks down yesterday. Are we going to hear more of these kinds of stories from corporate America, Keith?
That, Maria, I think is an excellent question, and I think the answer is yes. I think that this is terrible on management's part because they didn't manage it properly, and they had nowhere to go, no maneuvering room. I think we're going to see quite a lot of restatements here in the months to come. It's not going to be a good earnings season, but the silver lining at the end of all this is once that get priced in, some of these stocks are at what the heck levels, and maybe even Snap.
That's funny, what the heck levels. No, I mean, the issue around earnings, are those estimates going to be coming down? Because at this point, even the market has not taken estimates down to meet this expectation that we are teetering potentially on recession.
I think the answer to that is very unfortunately going to be yes. I think that we see three things as a result of Snap, and it's going to filter into other social media companies in particular and probably other service-related companies. So we're seeing inflation take a bite out of the advertising apple. We're seeing consumers pulling back and changing their behavior as a result of inflation, high prices, stagflation, whatever you want to call it. I mean, the economists can't agree on the label. And finally, I think that advertisers are realizing they're not getting as much bang for the buck. So we've got the change of behavior on the spend side. To me, that all spells lower valuations. These things are simply coming back to earth. Maybe people are starting to think what they're really worth as opposed to how they've been priced.
Well, we're seeing some demand destruction in retail, Lee. I mean, that's what we've been seeing.
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below. And of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.